Hi guys, my name is Arthur Wayne and this is another quick Q&A session on common issues that web developers might face. So today's question is, how do you get rid of the extra quotation mark in AngularJS when getting back the data from web API using JSON functions? This is what we need: programs, a modern browser and Visual Studio Community 2013 free edition, web technology used, HTML, AngularJS, web API, and C#. So let me show you my sample Visual Studio project. Here I have AngularJS script, and it's really simple. My control is the app and the control, and I'm getting my favorite fruit from the variable called my favorite fruit. And this is a really straightforward Angular setup here. So I'm getting my favorite fruit from this API, and when it's successful, I got the data passing to my favorite fruit variable here. And the API that I have is Web API 2.0, and is getting from here. So I'm getting one string returned. So let me run it and show you what's the problem. So since this is a string, it returns with the extra quotation marks, which we'll want to get rid of it. And let me show you how to do it. So we can use the JSON function and parse it. And hit save, and then let me rerun the same page. So as you can see, get rid of the quotation mark. And what if we want to have a return of a list of fruits here, return as an array, and we can look at it in another example right here. So I'm going to comment out this and getting the fruit list, comment that out, and it's going to run it this function here. So what happens if I'm going to run this one? It's going to return me the array, right? So if I use the same methods here, and implement same function JSON parse data and see if it works. Hit refresh, and it doesn't show me anything. And if I hit F12 to see what happened, it doesn't show, and I got the error called unexpected token A. So the problem with this is JSON parse is expecting a string, but right now we're getting the get favorite is getting us back a list of fruits. So it's getting me an array, and that's why we get an error like this. So how do we get rid of error and parse it correctly? The reason that I have this error is because the data that returned from the web API is array, and JSON.parse is expecting is as a string, so it has that error. So what we can do is to use the JSON.stringify to first convert it to a string, and then use JSON.parse to convert it into an array. So I'm going to loop through this new array that created from JSON.parse, and let me hit save and refresh the page. Okay, we got it. So we got the list of fruit correctly without the quotation. So I hope you find this Q&A video is helpful. If you have any comments, suggestions, or want to ask a question, please feel free to write it below. Behind every question, there's a struggle. If I can help you overcome, my time is worth spent. If you are new and want to be a developer, remember, never give up your dream easily, because for every question you can answer, you are one step closer to your dream. Don't let one unanswered question stop you. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel by subscribing, and I will see you next time.